You have a Nike account but cannot figure out how to log into it? Then you're in the right video. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Nike account. First of all, tap open your web browser, or you can open your app. The process is same to create the account in app or website. After opening, in the search bar, you have to write Nike.com and tap Go. In the right upper corner, you can see a three-lined icon. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you have to scroll down until you see Join Us and Sign In. You have to tap on Sign In. After tapping on Sign In, you'll be loaded to a page interface something like this, and you have to type your email which you used to create your Nike account. Then after typing, tap on Continue. Then Nike will ask for your password and you have to write the password you used to create your Nike account. Then tap Sign In. Then after that, you will be in your Nike account homepage. Now you can do endless shopping in Nike without any worries. That's it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.